So here's how to add reviews to your Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify store. Once you are logged into your Shopify store, then here you have to choose the product of which you want to add the reviews. After that, you have to go back to your Shopify store, and then here you have to click on the online store option, and once you click on it, now it will take you to the Shopify store. Once you are there in the Shopify app store, now here you have to search for the Ali Reviews app, and now you have to download this app on your Shopify store. And to download, you have to click on it and you have to open it. Once you have opened the app, now you have to click on the add app option here, and once you click on it, now it will take you to another page. At this page, you have to simply click on the install app option, and once you click on the install app, then this will be downloaded to your Shopify store. After that, here you have to select the plan, and here I'm gonna select the basic plan, and now you have to click on the sign up for free option, and once you click on it, now here we go. As you can see, we are directly logged into our dashboard. If you added the products into your Shopify store, now here it will show the list of the products, and each list you will see the option to add reviews. You have to simply click on the import reviews option, and once you click on it, now the product reviews will be added to your Shopify store. Actually, these reviews are already available on various websites like Amazon and other stores. It will just import these reviews onto your Shopify store. So this was how you can import reviews onto your Shopify store.